So yan, vlog mo na ulit. Ngayong araw na to, magpapalit ako ng DRL ito. Kasi ang nangyari, nagkaroon siya ng mga moist. Kasi hindi naman talaga to waterproof. Ginawa ko lang siyang waterproof. Sinelyuhan ko yung mga ganyan, yung mga gilid-gilid. Itong isa, ganun din, nag-moist siya. Bukod sa maaari siya mapundi, delikado rin kasi baka mag-ground. Kaya papalitan ko siya nitong waterproof na DRL. Ayan. Let's go!
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I started to do. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got.
Naging itsura niya. Itong dalawa, ito yung DRL. Positive yung red, negative o ground yung black. Tapos ito yung sa signal light, kulay red lang yung ginamit ko. Tapos dito siya sa salpak, kulay red, positive, negative yung ground. Then ito yung signal light, para madali lang siyang magsalpak kapag tatanggalin yung bumper. Ganyan lang siya, ganyan lang. Kung maganda, isi-secure ko rin siya ng electrical tape. Same lang ng kung ano yung ginawa ko dito, hindi yung ginawa ko dito. Mas secure yung wire pag tsaka pag tinanggal yung bumper, madali lang magtanggal ng wire. Yun. Tapos na, nakabit ko na. Dito ko na lang siya nilagay sa dating pinagtanggalan ko. Tapos nilagyan ko ng self-tapping black screw kabilang dulo. Hindi ko na ginamit yung adhesive niya kasi makakapitan lang yung dumi. So yan siya, pagkapila. DRL lang. Salamat sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli. Peace.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.